Hey guys, welcome to All More Fam. In this video we are going to show how to make Guava Chatpata Chat. It is one of the types of Calcutta street food. There are many types in this Chatpata Chat, but here we are going to show simple and spicy type. Before getting into the recipe, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will get updates whenever we upload a video. So it is a very simple recipe. Now let's get into the video and see how to make it. So guys, our chaat is almost ready. If you want, you can add some mint leaves, ginger juice and roasted peanuts and also cumin seeds. Not only this chaat is spicy, it also has many benefits for our healthy body and metabolism. Now let's see what are these benefits also. So these are the benefits of this chaat. So make sure that at least you eat once a week. So if you liked the video, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.